Hey Joey, what do you like better, golf or scuba diving?
So if you want to take up a new hobby and learn a new skill, should it be golf or scuba diving? Here's how I compare golf and scuba on a very analytical basis. Okay, let's take diving. This is time in days. This is a minimum competence level where you feel competent and are enjoying yourself. And here is a level where you are so good at it that you are having nothing but fun. Diving looks like this. You start down here, you go to the pool, you don't know much, but by the third day, open water certification, you're doing pretty good, and after a few open water dives, you are feeling very competent, and it doesn't take too much longer before you've kind of crossed over and are feeling like diving is nothing but fun. Now, let's compare that to golf. For golf, I'm going to change our x-axis here to months. Could be years. And here's our minimum competence and happiness level. And here is our mastery level, where you are playing so well that it is effortless and so much fun. Here is what the curve looks like for golf. We start off down here and we spend a lot of time. Finally we get up here, and the problem with golf is that the closer you get to that line, it keeps moving up because you want to play better and better and better and better. So this line now goes like this, even if your level of competence keeps going like this, and you are always chasing this gap. And that gap is what keeps you coming back for more golf, but also makes you incredibly frustrated. Every pro player is chasing that gap of perfection. And as a golfer, you will never get there unless you are a world-class pro, and it takes you a really long time to get to that minimum competence level. And that is the analytical reason why diving is better.
With my recent success in scuba diving, I would pick scuba diving because of how frustrating golf has been for me lately.